Here is how to lock incognito tabs in Chrome. So let's get started. The first step is to open Chrome on your phone. And once you're here, click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then go to Settings. And once you're here, click on Privacy and Security. And here you'll see the option to lock incognito tabs when you leave Chrome. It's this one over here. So it's currently disabled, and I'll just enable it. I'll put my fingerprint once, and now it's done. So let's see how it works. I'll open a new incognito tab. So here I have an incognito tab, and now if I just leave Chrome, and now if I open Chrome again, as you can see, the tab is locked and we have to unlock it. So if I click on unlock, I'll have to put my fingerprint, and only then we can see this tab. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.